books, life, the two things that are always compared. You begin your life like you would begin a book, slowly progressing, getting better and better. Each breath is a sentence. Once you stop breathing, your book ends. You have ups and downs, the good and the bad, the happy and the sad. By the middle of the book, you've reached your teenage years, falling in and out of love, arguing with your parents, wanting things you can't have, caring less about your schooling, becoming a rebel you were always told not to be. It's like a book of lies. Every page is black, flipping through it to find the truth and never finding it. By the end, you've lived your life, wrote all the pages, and breathed every sentence. You wonder why you went through all the things that you did. Was there someone writing your story? Someone higher? Your author? As you take your last breath, writing your last sentence, you close the book. It gets put up on the shelf for someone else to read later on. Your book is over.